Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of crochet with 30 free crochet projects for book lovers. You'll find crochet book sleeves, bookmarks, busy books for babies and toddlers, book-themed projects and so much more. Let's jump right in. Before we jump into our projects, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a crafty moment. Now, let's get crocheting. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. And there you have it, 30 amazing crochet projects for book lovers. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow bookworms. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the free patterns. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!